How to archive boards in monday.com. So hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can archive boards on monday.com. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into monday.com. Once when you log in, you can see that you will be redirected here on this home page, and there are multiple boards here that you're working on. Now for example, if I need to archive this board right here, a video production manager, what do I need to do? I'm not going to see archive anywhere here on the front. So I'm going to click on these three dots and then, wait, this is not a board. I'm sorry. This is a board. So I'm going to click here and then I'm going to click on archive. So here you go. My board has been archived and I can't see the board anywhere here. So let me just delete it. So my board has been archived and I cannot see it anywhere here on the home page. But if I need to unarchive it, what do I need to do? The board has been actually archived successfully, and this is the way you archive a board. Like if I need to archive this, I'm going to click here and click on archive here. So if I need to unarchive it, what I can do, I can click on undo, or what I can do is I can click here and then I can go here in archive, and here I can find this board right here that has been archived. I can select it and then I can click restore. And here you go. The board has been restored and it is right here. So that's how you archive and unarchive a board on monday.com. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll definitely see you with the upcoming more videos.